this is Harvey Chai from Ask Communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this where I'm gonna do a comparison between the display of Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, the last version of Samsung phone, and the last version of iPhone 13 base version. The display of iPhone 13, we have Super Retina XDR OLED, size 6.1 inches, resolution 1117 to 2532 pixel, that is 460 ppi density. On the other hand, Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra has a very high-tech display that is dynamic AMOLED 2x 120Hz HDR10, that is 6.8 inches enormous display. Resolution is a very high-tech, it's Ultra HD, you can say that. That is 1414 to 3088 pixel, that is 500 ppi pixel density. This is little bit lower than the previous version of Samsung phone. So in this case you have 460 ppi and 500 ppi. In real life situation you can see a big difference when you play content. I put here nature, and here I'm typing nature as well. Here one video of Ireland, lovely Ireland we can put here, 1, 2 and 3. Identical starting speed you can see here. I zoom. S22 Ultra has a magnificent, very high dense pixel scheme. Maybe in video you can't see the difference, but in real life that is a massive difference between these two displays. Although iPhone 13 has really good display as well, there is no doubt. You see the blue, this is a round shape, this is a square, so you enjoy more this display. Now we'll check the brightness. In this we'll put medium brightness, half. And in this as well we'll try to put half brightness. So this has more light, you can see in the half brightness they have similar light. Now we'll go to some 4K video. Here put nature 4K. In this one as well 4K nature. The similar video I'm putting, I always do that. Here we go. Magnificent. They look identical to be honest, but obviously the display of Samsung S22 Ultra is better. I can put full brightness in this, full. This is full of iPhone, and let me put full of Samsung as well. They are in the maximum potentiality, the maximum brightness. This is look quite orange. In Samsung when I put full brightness is look extra color. Then iPhone hold the real natural color. In my eye I can say that. 8K video. Let's see in 8K. Both are connected with the same internet. Magnificent color guys, both of them awesome. So okay guys, if you like this video please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening, take care till then, bye.